What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, the E90 is still in the garage, and last video we did some light maintenance. Tire rods were not too bad, but we'll be doing the front and rear brakes today, and I'm really excited because we have Stoptech performance brakes, pads and rotors. So give me 1 second, I will show you guys what I got. But as you can see, front brakes, rear brakes, the rotors, front pads, rear pads. I didn't know that they were like per package pads, so the second set of rear pads are on the way. However, tonight I will be doing the front brakes, front pads, maybe one of the rear brakes, whichever one, I don't know yet. But we will get this done tonight, and should be smooth sailing from there. If I can open this, I'll just show you guys the rears. They look very nice. I'm very excited. Always wanted Stoptech brakes. As you can see, slotted rotors, something, nothing too special, but one day I will have a big brake kit. But I want to put the I want to do the F80 brake kit retrofit on the E90 because it's possible. It looks very cool. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna set you guys on time lapse, and then we'll get started with the brake process. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the old rotor. The caliper the caliper is on a jack stand. This is the caliper carrier, the old pads, and the brand new Stoptech slotted rotors with brand new I forgot what it's called. It's like a brake rotor screw, I believe. It looks very nice. This actually didn't take too long, so I'm very excited about that. Luckily, my brake rotor screws were not stripped, so the removal process was very easy. Other than that, I didn't have to take off my studs, thankfully. So all that's left is to compress the piston, reassemble the whole caliper assembly, new pads, and then we should be good to go for the driver brake. Since the car is already up like this, I think I'm just gonna do left front, left rear, and then move to the other side, especially because I only have one set of rear pads at the moment. So I feel like it'd be easier since this side is pretty much already up. So I'm just gonna wrap this up, and then we will move on to the rears. Forgot to mention, I also have a brand new brake pad wear sensors. So there's one in the front left and then one in the right rear. This assembly was easy for this as well, so this is pretty much just plug and play. But besides that, I'm just gonna get back to the whole caliper / pad situation. Alright guys, so I stopped the project last night because it was like 2 a.m. the rotor was seized. I couldn't hammer it without waking up my family. So I'm with Hobbies now. I just torched the old rotor. I did this off camera just because I just got home. Torched the rotor, hammered it out, came out. New rotors in, new pads are in. Pistons compressed, you know, the whole 9 yards. Gonna put the rear wheel back on. And after that, we can move on to the right side. Alright guys, I just finished the last rotor and pad replacement. We've done the right rear, right front, and then vice versa on the left side. Later today I'm going to take the car out of the garage, take it for a test drive, see if for some reason there's anything loose. I triple checked everything and hopefully nothing's loose because there shouldn't be. But I'm really excited. Can't wait to feel how the new brakes are on the road. So I'll just catch you guys when I go on the test drive. Alright guys, so it's been roughly a week since I finished the brake install. They're looking very good, performing very well. They have a really great bite to them. Honestly, not much else to say. Just super excited with all the maintenance slash performance updates we've got on the car. We got new tire rods, did that in the last video. We got the new brakes, pads and rotors. I think all that's left is next video. I'm too lazy to open the hood right now, but I'm going to be doing the front and rear turbo vacuum lines because those are the only vacuum lines that I have not replaced yet, and I have a boost leak. So those two lines are what I suspect are the culprits. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for today's video. Super excited with the brake install so far. So yeah, and we have Stoptech brakes. I've been wanting Stoptech for so long. They were very pricey, but I think they were worth it. This whole set was I think like $1,100, so definitely not cheap, but you gotta pay to play, am I right? All right, so I forgot to mention, I still have yet to get an alignment. Thankfully though, one of Ali's friends, he works at BMW and can size an alignment for me. And after that, I will finally have no more lights on the dash. I currently have the brake light and steering angle sensor light on because obviously I don't have an alignment. So brake light, steering angle sensor light. So once I get the alignment, I'm gonna have them reset it. Both of those lights should go away. I've already reset the brake service maintenance on the dash for the front brake pad wear sensor. It's in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there. And funny story about the rear brake pad wear sensor. I was in such a rush to reinstall this that I actually forgot to plug it in. So I had to take off the wheel again and then install the brake pad wear sensor to the brake pad itself. But yeah, after this I'll finally have no more lights on the dash. I'm super excited. I haven't seen it without those two stupid yellow lights for months now. So once I get this alignment, I'll have no errors, no mechanical issues, well, besides the boost leak. But who cares? I'm so happy that we're finally about to be done with this. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Kind of squinting right now because the sun's out, but yeah, I'm super excited with what we have so far. This marks the end of the maintenance, and the reason I say that is because it's windy. Moving forward,
I'm gonna be finally pushing for more power. Everything I've done thus far, engine-wise, or maintenance/mod-wise, has been sort of bulletproofing slash like slight performance increase, with pretty much doing everything from the ground up. Only thing I left to do, as I said previously, was the front and rear turbo vacuum lines, but it's Black Friday, so I just ordered MHD so I can finally tune my coil packs. Now that we have MHD, expect downpipes on the way. I don't have to deal with emissions anymore, so expect downpipes on the way, and I won't have to find an emissions guy, so I'm so happy for that. But after downpipes, we're going to be getting the 7.5 inch step intercooler, and to wrap up this whole what is this, push for more power, I'm going to be getting new turbos somewhere in the near future, so stay tuned for that. I'm super excited because I really want this at 54 the best weekend warrior car that I've been running at the moment. I'm sorry for the wind, so if you guys are listening to this with headphones, I apologize in advance, but I want this weekend warrior car to be somewhat reliable slash very fun to drive, because at the moment it is my daily. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. Any future videos, please subscribe to the channel, support me. I'm a YouTube partner now, so very excited for that. Just help me continue to grow, help me hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget nothing's impossible. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.